Installing Epson Media files in the Epson Media installer is the same for Windows and Mac. Your printer must be on and connected to your computer, wired or wireless, before you begin. Click the Import button. Navigate to where your media files are located. If you download them from Red River Paper's website, they often end up in the Downloads folder or desktop. The Epson Media installer shows 3 file extensions: EMY, EMX, and EPML. Red River Paper distributes media files with the EMY extension. Locate the file you wish to install, highlight it, and click Open. If everything goes well, you will see the media file appear in the list. Red River Paper media file names all start with RR. Status should show as registered, editable, and removable. If not, delete the file and import it again. The media files you install will appear in the Epson Driver Media Type drop-down menu. The media file subcategories, such as photo paper, show up in the driver as media subcategories, as shown here. The media file media name, such as RR Ultra Pro Satin, show up as new media type selections, as shown here. Finally, you may be curious about the media download option. Epson has a library of media files from media brands around the world. They are primarily for roll-fed, wide-format printers and RIP software. Please visit Red River Paper's website to see the best selection of photo and fine art paper for inkjet printing. You'll find professional quality papers, free color profiles, and world-class technical support and printing resources.